Hi, I'm Latoya. Welcome to my channel, She Does It All. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of this, which is changing my son's oil in his 2006 Mazda. He's returning to campus shortly in about a week or so. So I want to make sure that his oil is good. I'm driving back and forth to school. So I'm going to run over to AutoZone and then I'm going to show you guys exactly what I needed to actually change his oil. I just needed the oil and the oil filter. So I'll be doing that and showing you guys which tools I actually needed to just change the oil. And that'll be that. So just stay tuned and then you'll see exactly just how I do that. This is the oil that we use for his vehicle, 5W20 made by Mobil 1. And this is the filter that we got, but it turned out to be the wrong one, but I'll explain it later. And the tools that we used are the socket and ratchet set, the portable jack, which jacks the car up a lot faster than the one that comes with the car. Then we have these jack stands to jack the car up and put it underneath so it stays raised safely. And we use this green rug that my dad lays out on the ground so that he doesn't have to lay, like on the floor. And last, I have the actual wrench that you use to remove the oil filter. It's called the oil filter wrench. This project turned out to be a me and dad project because once we looked underneath, we realized that he had a cover over his oil filter, which normally they have an opening under the bottom, but his doesn't. And the filter was a little different. It wasn't the actual can looking filter. It was where the filter had to be removed and then the inside replaced. So dad would actually have to show me how to do this. So now dad's going to remove the cover and then we'll get to it. So dad has loosened the filter and this is what it looks like when he takes it out. Remember I told you in the beginning of the video that the filter we had turned out to be the wrong one? This is the part where dad's showing me that the filter that we actually have is the wrong one, which is too large to fit inside. So I'm gonna have to take this filter back to AutoZone and get the correct filter. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna turn the socket, which is over the oil plug, and once I've removed this plug, all of the oil will fall into the oil pan. And this is exactly what the oil plug looks like. Now I'm gonna just replace the filter. This is the correct filter right here that we had to get from the store. So that's what it actually looks like. Now, if you look closely, you can see the last little bit of oil draining out of the pan. Now I'm just going to replace the oil plug. And if you guys are wondering what we do with the old oil, we take the old oil and put it inside the bottle that we got from the new oil. And then my dad takes it to the shop and his friend disposes of the oil. I know you guys are like, why do I have this humongous funnel? The thing is, when we were taking the tools from the basement, I didn't get the smaller one, so I just used the one that I had in the back of my vehicle. So we just used this one to make do. Now I'm just gonna use these bolts to connect the cover that was underneath the car originally that Dad removed. Just like working on a car, you always run into some complications. So this was ours. We couldn't get the holes to line up to put the screw back through the cover to connect it back, but eventually we got it. Then refill the oil. That's it. Now we're just gonna replace the oil cap, and that'll be that. And I'm done. So if you like this video, just hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification button so you get notified anytime I post a video. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.